Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tips Food 365, the fastest way to peel garlic. You just need to use this and give it a gentle pull, and the garlic skin comes off automatically. Hurry up and give it a try. Peeling garlic has always been a big headache in the kitchen, especially when you need a large amount. Do you peel it bit by bit with your hands, or do you smash it with a knife before removing the skin? Garlic has many layers of skin and many cloves. Whether you peel it slowly by hand or smash it with a knife, it's time-consuming and tiring. So today, let me show you a few simple tips for peeling garlic. Not only quick and easy, but also very clean. First, when we need a large amount of garlic, like 2 or 3 gin, don't try to scrape it with your fingernails. It's slow and it hurts. Separate the garlic bulbs into individual cloves first, then put them into a bowl. Add warm water around 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. Now, soak them for 15-20 minutes. Time's up. When you see the garlic skin starting to wrinkle, it means it's ready to peel. When we need a large amount of garlic, peeling them one by one is not only slow, your hands will probably be worn out too. Whenever our village prepares a banquet, I feel this deeply. A whole basin of garlic, surrounded by people, 2 cutting off the ends, 3 or 4 peeling the skins. The efficiency is low, the speed is slow, and it hurts your hands. By the time you finish peeling garlic slowly, your fingers are cramping, covered with the strong smell of garlic and a burning sensation. But with this little trick, it's completely different. Pull the outer skin gently, and it comes off in one whole piece. Within just 5 minutes, you can peel a big bowl of garlic cloves. Warm water softens the outer layers of the garlic, or perhaps it works through thermal expansion and contraction. Either way, the skin loosens quickly. This method is extremely simple yet incredibly effective. Once you learn it, share it with your family and friends at home. Just try it once. You'll be shocked immediately. It's truly the most practical method, so convenient. Trick 2. Peeling small amounts of garlic. Take a single garlic clove. Pinch both ends with your thumb and index finger. Press gently but firmly. The garlic skin will pop open on its own. Then just tear along the opening. Peeling becomes very easy this way. Many people love garlic. It's nutritious, and I'm sure many of my friends enjoy it too. Garlic is an essential seasoning in daily cooking. We usually use our fingernails to peel garlic, but that's time-consuming and painful. If you only need a small amount of garlic, use this method. Peel as you cook. It's perfect for quick meals. You can peel an entire bulb in less than a minute, enough for a whole meal. Trick 3. When the garlic is too big to squeeze. If you come across a large clove that can't be pressed open, just grab a plastic bottle cap. This method is very simple. Use the edge of the cap to gently press the garlic. The skin will lift, and you can easily remove the clove. This simple action makes peeling garlic so much easier, and your hands won't carry any pungent smell. It's convenient and fast. From now on, peeling garlic will no longer be a troublesome task. Whenever someone is peeling garlic, we always enthusiastically recommend this clever trick. At family gatherings or friends' parties, it becomes our secret technique, and it always earns praise. The aroma of garlic always enhances food, and now with this quick peeling method, you don't have to worry about lacking tools outdoors. Try it yourself. Trick 4. Fast peeling when you have tools at home. Prepare a whole bulb of garlic. Cut off the bottom. Also slice off the top. Place it on a chopping board. Gently smash it with the knife. 3 or 4 light hits. Once you feel the garlic loosen, it's ready. Now take out the cloves. It's as easy as peeling an orange. Hold a clove, and the skin slips right off automatically. Isn't it convenient? Dear friends, making videos is not easy. Every comment, like, and follow is my motivation to keep going. If you find my videos helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for your support. Peeling a whole bulb in half a minute. Pretty fast, right? This method works great for home cooking and never slows down your meal preparation. Trick 5. Using a plastic bottle to peel garlic. Break the garlic bulb into individual cloves. Prepare a clean plastic bottle. Put the cloves inside. If it's a drink bottle, wash it clean first so no odors affect your food. After putting all the cloves inside, close the lid. Then hit the bottle on the table for about 30 seconds. It's best not to fill the bottle too much. Leave half empty so the garlic can shake more freely. Time's up. Let's pour out the garlic. You'll see the cloves and skins are completely separated, with the skins still whole. For the few that didn't separate, you can peel them easily with your fingers. The principle is simple. Shaking the bottle causes the cloves to collide with the walls, loosening the skins quickly, although the garlic may have some dents from shaking if you're using it for minced garlic. It doesn't matter at all. How about that? These garlic peeling tricks are great, right? Share them with your family and friends. They'll help a lot of people. If you have even better ideas, leave a comment and share them with us so we can learn together. That's all for today's tips. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, share, and repost. Click on my profile to watch more food and life hacks. Don't forget to follow me. Thank you for your support. See you in the next video.